howdy. I'm Secret Sam, and we're going to kick this off with some internet stuffs. That's right, internet stuffs, plural. Alright, we've got MD Arvin Moment of Breaking of the Ship, and this is posted by Archipelagos.com. First of all, you wouldn't catch me on a ship in waters like this. Ever. Ever.
Bees.
Oh, and that's where it happened. Holy crap. I don't know what they're saying, but I know what they're saying. Mayday, I know that. I definitely know that. Holy cow, how does that even happen? As usual, I've got lots of questions. Lots. If I were the captain of that ship, they would change my name to Captain Nuggets, because that's what would be in my pants. A bunch of nuggets. Holy cow, no way. I would never get back on a boat again, ever. If that happened, ever. I mean, I wouldn't be on a boat in that sort of weather anyway, but hey, hopefully they get paid a lot of money for that. Next up, we've got Mouse. Aptly entitled Mouse by Mouse. Okay, it's a mouse. It's a Logitech mouse, to be specific. I may have one of those. Maybe. I don't know why, but that is oddly satisfying. I can't imagine that's good for the bearings, though. Maybe he is a certified mouse tester? Okay, this one's also a really, really short one, and it's aptly titled Mouse 2. Boogaloo. Also by, you guessed it, Mouse. Okay, that's a lot of YouTube. Listen, I don't know why this is so satisfying, but it is. I wonder how many videos he actually scrolls by. He scrolled to the end, so I don't know. But I've got a challenge for you. Somebody accurately determine how many videos he scrolled by, or how many videos were in that list. Okay, this one is entitled Oblivion NPC Dialogue, and this is by Galactic Memes. Oh, we've got Ryan Reynolds. Looks like on the set of Six Underground.
The action. For me, it's the stillness, you know? It's like those quiet moments.
The stillness. It's like my life.
Lost.
Stuff is flying all around me, and I'm just like, kind of like the dog with the house that's on fire behind him. That's my life. At least that's what it feels like. I'm not always that calm, though. Not always. Next up, we've got some Reddit stuff. We're gonna do some Reddit reads. This is from the thread Facepalm. This is from the subreddit Facepalm, and it's entitled "Why All Fine Girls Are Lebanese." And it looks like a post on Instagram that says all the fine girls gay because she's Lebanese. You know, the girls that like girls, the Lebanese. I mean, Lebanese girls come from Lebanon, and they, you know, are Lebanese. That's actually funny. First comment, sexual orientation, Lebanese. Alright, next one we've got is entitled, Ah, Yes. And if you look, it's a new children's game called Duck Duck Anal. Because, you know, I can't even finish that. It's actually canal. If you look closely, it says canal, but you know, anal sounds more fun. Alright, on to the next one. Okay, this next one is from the Oddly Satisfying subreddit. It's entitled Crystalware Production, and it is actually oddly satisfying. It actually looks quite amazing. I would be afraid of molten glass flying off. I would imagine you have to be a brave soul to do that, but maybe I just don't know enough. It looks really dangerous, but also really cool and rewarding. Oh, first comment. I'd be terrified, or top comment, I should say. I'd be terrified of molten glass spinning violently off the wheel and onto my face. Bingo. Clearly I'm not alone in that. And someone had this to kill the fun and say molten glass is way too viscous for that. It's akin to cold honey. Who was the first person that decided to try that out and was like, oh yeah, no, it works perfectly fine. Let's try it again. I mean, kudos to them, I guess. The next one is from the subreddit Technically the Truth, and it's entitled Your Car Keys. It says your car keys have traveled further than your car. I tried for a solid 5 to 10 seconds to refute that, but I can't because it's true. And that's facts. 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 Someone was probably really stoned to think about that one. But, you know, stoned, but right. Okay, so this one is from Oddly Satisfying again, and it's entitled The Way the Balls Rotate Within the Circle. I've seen this before, but it is so worth it. So worth watching it. I'm easy. You know, I'm easy. Nothing too crazy yet. Mind blown. I'm not getting sleepy. You're getting sleepy. This one is from the subreddit Public Freakout, and it is Sister Cindy Pride Month edition.
Don't kiss a girl and like
Don't kiss a girl and like it. She's covering her eyes. She covered her eyes. I mean, does she secretly like it? And she's trying hard not to. How old is she? 8? Anyway, we're gonna watch that again because there's something in that is, if you're not paying attention, you don't really see it. But let's see if you see it.
Don't kiss a girl.
I'll give you a hint. Look at the guy behind the sign. Look, he's hiding behind the sign. And he's peeking over the top. I'm sorry, but he's been caught. Anyway, next. Okay, this one's entitled 2 Helicopters Crash, Disaster, and Landing Pad. And it is posted by flyeurope.tv. I hope this isn't a promotion for flying in Europe. Oh, he's getting dangerously close. Oh no. And the guy, oh no. Oh man, the guy getting or leaning in the helicopter that was already on the ground. World's luckiest person. What do you do when you stare death in the face like that? I don't know, but good for him. Alright, back to Reddit, and this is on the subreddit Contagious Laughter and entitled Just FMSU. And apparently this is a TikTok, and it reads, Barber, what do you want? Him. Kim Jong-un. Barber, say no more. I mean, I'm convinced. Okay, that's pretty good. I hope he tipped the barber quite handsomely. The question is, did he keep that haircut? I hope he kept it for a while. If so, kudos to you, sir. Kudos to you and your barber. Alright, and that's where we end off. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. That was fun. And until next time.